Okay. So beta here we are going to start a new topic. Okay, and that is expressing metric units in decimal form. Expressing metric units in decimal form. Okay, beta. So here we are going to discuss about all types of different like length, capacity, and mass. Different types of units, but this time we are going to convert it into the decimal form here. Okay. So with the help of examples, it must be clear to all. So first of all, ma'am is going to take here one example. Shivangi, are you listening to ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here suppose our first question is express the following as the decimal of kilometers. Okay, this time we are going to convert it into kilometer, decimals of kilometers. Means we are going to express the units, different types of units are given to us, and we are going to express them in kilometers, but in decimal form also. Okay, this is our condition. So here in our first example, 5 kilometer is given to us. Okay, 5 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 2 decameter, and 5 meter. Okay, this is our question, and we are going to convert all these units into kilometer. Our overall aim is to convert all these units in kilometer. Okay, but one more condition is this, that it should be in the decimal form also. Okay.
Okay,
So what we can observe from here that the first unit like 5 kilometers, that is already in the kilometers form. So we need not to convert it. Yes or no? It should be as it is. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
It should be in kilometers as it is. Okay. And secondly, we are going to convert the hectometer. We are going to convert the hectometer here. Okay. So hectometer, when we are going to convert the hectometer into kilometer, it means which concept we are going to use here. Small to big or big to small? Yes. Small to big or big to small?
मैम यहाँ पे हम स्मॉल टू बिग करेंगे.
Yes, small to big we are going to do. Okay. And in case of small to big, what we will do? Multiply or divide?
मैम हम डिवाइड करेंगे.
Yes, we will divide. Hello. And divide by what? Divide by what?
Ma'am, with 10.
Divide.
Because it is hectometer.
Because it is? Because it is, yes. And after conversion, it will become what? Kilometer? Yes or no? Because our purpose is to change it in kilometers. That's why we have done. Very good. Okay, now you are going to tell me that for 2 decameter, and we are going to convert to decameter. Okay, so can you tell me how we are going to convert to decameter?
Ma'am, 100. Divide by 100.
We are going to divide by 100. Very nice. So we are going to take it as, it will be in the kilometer, and here we are going to have 100. Divide by 100. Okay. And similarly, when we are going to move to the 5 meter, so we are going to divide it by what? Yes. Yes.
1000.
1000. Okay, we are going to divide it by 1000. Okay, and here ma'am is going to put this division sign over here. Okay, so this will be the division sign between these units. Okay, this is our first step. Now we are going to move to the second step, and in the second step we are going to write down the values after the division. Okay, but the first unit will be as it is because we have not done anything here. That is as it is, we are going to write down. Can you tell me when we are going to divide 1 by 10, what will be our answer? Yes, as I have already told you that we are going to shift the decimal to the left hand side. Okay, beta. So here ma'am is going to clear this particular point. Ma'am is going to clear this particular point here. When we are going to write down 1 upon 10. Okay, beta. Shivangi, are you listening to ma'am? Shivangi, are you listening to ma'am? I think some network issues from Shivangi's side. So this time, Shrishti will give me the answer by the time. Shrishti, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Shrishti, when we are going to divide 1 by 10. So
Yes.
can you tell me, as we have already know that if decimal is not given here, so it means it is understood that our decimal should be at the last. Yes or no? It is understood.
Yes.
Decimal should be at the last, like here. Okay. And when we are going to divide by 10, so it means we are going to shift the decimal to the left hand side only one time.
Hand side.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one time. Okay. So we can put zeros over here like this. 1 0. Okay. 2 0. Or as per the requirement. Okay. But we need not to require more zeros. So we are going to shift only one time. We are going to shift only one time. So what will be our answer?
One time.
What will be our answer? After shifting decimals. Yes. It will be when we are going to shift this decimal. One second, ma'am is going to change the color also. This is our decimal and we are going to shift this decimal to the left hand side. Okay. So this decimal will come at 0.1. Is it clear?
1.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, जो 0 के बगल में 0 है उसका?
Better no need to use of that 0. Only how much these zeros are required, so we can put only that particular 0. Okay. If suppose we are requiring 2 zeros, so we will use 2. We are requiring 3 zeros, so we will use 3. Okay, bache?
3.
Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So now
Yes,
this
ma'am.
will be our answer. So this is the same way. Suppose we are going to divide it by 100, so we will shift 2 times. We will shift 2 times to the left. Clear? So we must observe here that, and we can write it as in case of division, divide ke case mein, we are going to shift decimal to the left. Okay, left shift.
Side.
Okay, we can write here left shift. Is it clear?
Shift.
We must always remember
Yes,
this concept. In case of division, we are going to shift the decimal to the left hand side. When we are going to divide by 10, it means 1 shift only. By 100, it means 2 shift only. By 1000,
and 1003.
3 shift. Okay, clear? Now we are going to move to the next point. Next step here is 2 upon 100. Next point is 2 upon 100. So can you tell me how we are going to shift? Again, we can put 0
Ma'am,
zeros over here. We can put 0
yes,
zeros.
Ma'am,
Yes.
3 zeros.
1 second, ma'am is going to have it as. Okay. Suppose ma'am has taken it as this number. Okay. Now the decimal is at this. Decimal is at this. Okay. We are moving or we are shifting the decimal to the left hand side by how many shifts? How many shifts?
Ma'am, 3.
3 shifts we are going to do. As we are going to divide it by 2 shifts, because we are going to divide it by 100. So that's why the 1 shift will be here and the second shift will be here. Okay. So what will be our answer? Can you tell me what will be our answer? Yes. Yes,
0.02.
very good. 0.02. So this will be your answer. I hope it is clear. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And the same way we are going to do the third one also. Okay. Same way we are going to do the third one also. Similarly, we are going to put zeros. Okay. Zeros in front of 5 because it is meaningless. Okay. And then we are going to divide it by 1000. Okay. So when we are going to divide it by 1000, the decimal will shift where?
Ma'am, 3 times.
3 times, exactly 3 times we are going to shift decimal. Okay. And when we are going to shift it towards left hand side 1 time, clear? Clear?
Yes.
2 times
Yes.
and 3
And
times.
3 times.
3 times here it will come. So what will be our answer? Can you tell me? What will
Ma'am,
be
0.005.
Yes. 005. So these are 3 values. Okay, bache? These are 3 values of these different units. So we can write them. So we can put the addition sign in between because we are going to write down in the combination form. Okay, because we have already make all these units in the kilometer. Okay, so 5 kilometer is this. The second unit is what is the value we have just find out? Yes.
Ma'am, 0.1.
0.1 kilometer. Okay, here don't forget to write down the kilometer. Yes, then
0.02 kilometer.
0.02 kilometer. Very good. And the next one is
0.005 kilometer.
005 kilometer. Okay, so this will be the different value. Okay, but when we are going to find out the answer after adding all these values, can we find out the answer? How we are going to add? Ishita, what are you doing? Are you listening to ma'am?
Ma'am.
You are playing with your fingers. Ishita. Yes, when we are going to add all these values, we should always
Ma'am, the
remember this thing.
decimals in
Yes.
right line.
Right
line.
line. Decimal should be in the same sequence.
Line.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Decimal should be in the same
Yes.
sequence, just below the other. Okay. So suppose the first number is 5. So here, in case of 5, where is the decimal? At the last. And after the decimal, we can put the
At
0
the
0.
last.
Yes or no? We can put the zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, in the next number is 0.1. So here we can take 0, point, and then 1. We can have 1 over here. And after that, we can put the 0 zeros. Yes or no? As we have already done the decimal chapter, you must know all these rules. Okay, Shrishti?
Okay,
Next one, tell me.
0.02.
Yes. 02. And at the last, we can also put 0 for balancing or for making the like decimals. Okay, so that the addition must be easy. And the third one will be 0. Bolo. Very good. 0.
0.0.
Third one. Yes.
Ma'am, but it is coming at the first. Ma'am,
Not
5.00.
Yes, beta, this one. 0, this one. Okay.
0.05.
0.05. So what was the confusion? What was the confusion?
मैम जो आपने ऊपर लिखा है 5.000 इन दोनों में confusion हो गई.
No, beta, no need to confuse. That is the separate thing. That is the separate. This one we have taken here. Okay, this one. Okay, and now we are going to write down this last one. So no need to confuse. Okay, now we are going to add. Now we are going to write down the values of it. Okay, चलिए मुझे add करके बताइए जल्दी से. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 5.1.
Yes.
2 and 5.
Very good. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now we can write down the final answer here. That will be 5.125. Okay, but at the last, don't forget to write down the kilometer
Kilometer.
because this is the whole concept of the question, because we are going to convert the different units into kilometers. So that's why it is compulsory to write down the kilometer. So don't forget to write down the units. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
The question is completed in 3 steps. Okay, beta. So simple, what we are going to do here. First of all, we are going to write down all the units in kilometer form. Okay, with the help of this division in kilometers form. Then we are going to convert these divisions in the decimal form. And in the final step, we are going to add all these units. Clear? And so that's
Yes,
why
ma'am, clear.
this will be your final answer. Okay, so here your final answer after the addition, it will be 5.125 kilometer. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
So now we are going to take one more example. So that the concept must be more clear. Okay. So now, Srishti, you can mute. Ma'am is going to take one more child. Okay.